Hello and welcome to the Product Discovery Series. My name is Cole Nebaker, and in this video, we'll be going over PDK's convenient mobile credentials. Let's take a look. Not only are mobile credentials more convenient than standard credentials, they are also more scalable, more cost-effective, more secure, and more accessible. Today, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to issue and accept PDK's mobile credentials. Begin by logging into PDK.io as a manager, admin, or integrator. From here, navigate to the People tab and select or create the person you will be issuing mobile credentials to. Make sure that this person has a valid email address associated with their profile. They will only be able to receive these credentials if they have an email address added first. Select the Add Credential button and toggle to the Mobile tab. You will see the option to toggle Bluetooth and mobile app credentials. Simply select one or both of these options and hit Submit. The user will then receive an automated email from PDK inviting them to download the PDK Access App. This app is where the credentials will be hosted, so they will need to download it from the App Store or Play Store respectively. Once the app is downloaded, go back to the original email invite and tap the Activate button. You will be redirected to the PDK Access app where the credential will automatically populate. Alternatively, you can add new credentials by sending a one-time code to your email. This is typically done in cases where you are requesting replacement credentials. You can do this by selecting the drop-down menu at the top of the PDK Access app and selecting Add Credentials. From there, simply follow the instructions on screen. Once all of your credentials have been added to the PDK Access app, you can then navigate between them, clicking on the card, scrolling through your locations, and tapping on the applicable door. Bluetooth credentials will work at all locations without the need to open the app or the specific card for that location. You can also favorite doors to save them to the top of your list for quick and easy access at all times. To do this, swipe left on any given door and then select the heart icon. So, if you want credentials that bring your access control to the next level, implement mobile credentials the easy way with PDK.